Hello guys! Sa araw na to, dahil sa hilig ko sa mga movies, ay inalam ko na rin kung ano-ano ba ang top 100 best movies of all time. Kung may mga nais po tayong ipalabas sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po tayong mag-comment down below. Kung may mga nais po magpa-shoutout, ay pwede rin mag-comment down below at i-shoutout po natin sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto na, sisimulan na po natin at i-share ko na sa inyo kung ano-ano ba ang top 100 best movies of all time. So hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
107 Samurai, ang year 1954, director Akira Kurosawa, cast Toshiro Mifune, Takashi Shimura. Next is number 99, the title is Bonnie and Clyde, year 1967, director Arthur Penn, cast are Warren Beatty and Faye Dunaway. Number 98, titled The Reservoir Dogs, year 1992, director is Quentin Tarantino, cast are Harvey Keitel, Tim Roth, Chris Penn, Steve Buscemi, Lawrence Cherney, and Michael Madsey. Number 97, Airplane, year 1980, directors are Jim Abrahams, David Zucker, and Jerry Zucker. The cast are Robert Hayes, Julie Haggerty, and Leslie Nielsen. Number 96, Pan's Labyrinth, 2006, director Guillermo del Toro. Cast are Ivana Baquero, Ariadna Hill, and Sergio Lopez. Number 95 is Dr. Zhivago. Year 1965, director is David Lean. Cast are Omar Sharif and Julie Christie. Number 94, titled The Deer Hunter. Year 1978, director is Michael Cimino. Cast are Robert De Niro, Christopher Walken, John Cazale, John Savage, and Meryl Streep. Number 93, Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Ang year 1977, director Steven Spielberg. Cast are Richard Dreyfuss and Francois Truffaut. Number 92, title is Up, year 2009. Directors are Pete Docter and Bob Peterson. Cast are Edward Asner, Christopher Plummer, and Jordan Nagay. Number 91 is Rocky, year 1976. Director is John G. Avildsen. Cast are Sylvester Stallone, Talia Shire, Burt Young, Burgess Meredith, and Carl Weathers. Number 90 is Memento, year 2000. Director is Christopher Nolan. Cast are Guy Pearce, Carrie Ann Moss, and Joe Pantoliano. Number 89 is Braveheart. Ang year is 1995. Director is Mel Gibson. The cast are Mel Gibson, Sophie Marceau, and Patrick McGoohan. Number 88, title is Slumdog Millionaire. Year 2008. Director is Danny Boyle. Cast are Dev Patel and Frida Pinto. Number 87, The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Year is 2003. Director is Peter Jackson. Cast are Elijah Wood, Viggo Mortensen, Ian McKellen, and Orlando Bloom. Number 86 is Beauty and the Beast. Year 1991. Directors are Gary Tosdale and Kirk Wise. The cast are Paige O'Hara, Robbie Benson, and Richard White. Title is Seven. Year 1995. Director is David Fincher. Cast are Morgan Freeman and Brad Pitt. Number 84, Inception. Year 2010. Director is Christopher Nolan. The cast are Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Ellen Page, Tom Hardy, and Marion Cotillard. Number 83, Die Hard. Year 1988. Director is John McTiernan. The cast are Bruce Willis, Alan Rickman, and Bonnie Vidalia. Number 82 is The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. Year 2001. Director is Peter Jackson. Cast are Elijah Wood, Ian McKellen, and Orlando Bloom. Number 81, Amadeus. Year 1984. Director is Milos Forman. The cast are Murray Abraham, Tom Hulse, and Elizabeth Berridge. Number 80, title is On the Waterfront. Year is 1954. Director is Elia Kazan. Cast are Marlon Brando, Carl Malden, Lee Jacob, and Eva Marie Saint. Number 79, Wall-E. Year 2008. Director is Andrew Stanton. Cast are Ben Burt, Elisa Knight, and Jeff Garlin. Number 78 is 12 Angry Men. Year is 1957. Director is Sidney Lumet. Cast are Henry Fonda, Lee Jacob, and Martin Balsam. Number 77, Ghostbuster, year 1984. Director is Ivan Reitman. Cast: Bill Murray, Dan Aykroyd, Sigourney Weaver, and Harold Ramis. 76 is Brokeback Mountain, year 2005. Director is Ang Lee. Cast is Jake Gyllenhaal, Heath Ledger. 75 is The Bridge on the River Kwai, year 1957. Director David Lean. Cast are William Holden, Alec Guinness, and Jack Hawkins. Number 74 is Blazing Saddles, year 1974. Director is Mel Brooks. Cast are Cleveland Lill and Gene Wilder. Number 73, All the President's Men, year is 1976. Director is Alan J. Pakula. Cast are Dustin Hoffman and Robert Redford. Number 72 is Young Frankenstein, year is 1974. Director Mel Brooks. Cast are Gene Wilder, Peter Boyle, Marty Feldman, and Madeleine Kahn. Number 71 is Almost Famous, year 2000. Director is Amiron Crowe. Cast are Billy Crudup, Philip Seymour Hoffman, and Kate Hudson. Number 70 is Vertigo, year 1958. Director Alfred Hitchcock. Cast are James Stewart, Kim Novak. Number 69 is Gladiator, year 2000. Director is Ridley Scott. Cast are Russell Crowe, Joaquin Phoenix, and Oliver Reed. Number 68 is Monty Python and the Holy Grail, year 1975. Directors are Terry Gilliam and Terry Jones. Cast are Graham Chapman, John Cleese, Eric Idle, Terry Gilliam, Terry Jones, and Michael Palin. Number 67 is Avatar, year 2009. Director is James Cameron. Cast are Sam Worthington, Zoe Saldana, Sigourney Weaver. Number 66 is The Lion King, year 1994. Directors are Roger Allers and Rob Minkoff. Cast are Matthew Broderick, Jeremy Irons, and James Earl Jones. Number 65 is Raging Bull, year 1980. Director is Martin Scorsese. Cast are Robert De Niro and Joe Pesci. Number 64, Mary Poppins, year 1964. Director is Robert Stevenson. Cast are Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. Number 63 is Groundhog Day, year 1993. Director is Harold Ramis. Cast Bill Murray and Andy McDowell. Number 62 is North by Northwest, year 1959. Director Alfred Hitchcock. Cast are Cary Grant, Eva Marie Saint, and James Mason. Number 61 is West Side Story, year 1961. Director is Jerome Robbins, Robert Wise. Cast are Natalie Wood, Rita Moreno, and George Chakiris. Number 60, Amelie, year 2001. Director is Jean-Pierre Jeunet. Cast is Audrey Tautou. Number 59 is Thelma Lewis, year 1991. Director is Ridley Scott. Cast are Susan Sarandon, Gina Davis, and Brad Pitt. Number 58 is Sunset Boulevard, year 1950. Director is Billy Wilder. Cast William Holden and Gloria Swanson. Number 57 is The Dark Knight, year 2008. Director is Christopher Nolan, and the cast are Christian Bale and Heath Ledger. Number 56, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, year 2004. Director is Michel Gondry. Cast are Jim Carrey and Kate Winslet. Number 55, Taxi Driver, year 1976. Director is Martin Scorsese. Cast are Robert De Niro, Jodie Foster, and Sybil Shepherd. Number 54, Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, year 1969. Director is George Roy Hill. The cast are Paul Newman, Robert Redford, and Catherine Ross. Number 53 is Good Will Hunting, year 1997. Director is Gus Van Sant. Cast are Robin Williams, Matt Damon, Ben Affleck, and Minnie Driver. Number 52 is All About Eve, year 1950. Director is Joseph L. Mankiewicz. Wicks. The cast are Bette Davis and Baxter, George Sanders, and Celeste Holm. Number 51, The Big Lebowski, year 1998. Directors are Joel and Ethan Coen. Cast are Jeff Bridges, John Goodman, and Julianne Moore. Number 50 is Jurassic Park, year 1993. Director is Steven Spielberg. The cast are Sam Neill, Laura Dern, Jeff Goldblum and Richard Attenborough. Number 49, Rear Window. The year is 1954. Director is Alfred Hitchcock. The cast are James Stewart and Grace Kelly. Number 48 is The Usual Suspects. Year is 1995. Director is Bryan Singer. Cast are Kevin Spacey, Stephen Baldwin, Gabriel Byrne, Chaz Palminteri, and Kevin Polyak. Number 47 is Some Like It Hot. Year is 1959. Director is Billy Wilder. Cast are Marilyn Monroe, Tony Curtis, and Jack Lemmon. Number 46 is Saving Private Ryan. Year 1998. Director is Steven Spielberg. The cast are Tom Hanks, Matt Damon, Edward Burns, and Tom Sizemore. Number 45 is Titanic. Year is 1997. Director is James Cameron. Cast are Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. Number 44 is The Matrix. Year 1999. Directors Andy and Lana Wachowski. Cast are Keanu Reeves, Lawrence Fishburne, and Carrie Ann Moss. Number 43, Toy Story. Year 1985. Director is John Lasseter. Cast are Tom Hanks and Tim Allen. Number 42 is Alien. Year is 1979. Director is Ridley E. Scott. Cast are Sigourney Weaver, Tom Skerritt, Veronica Cartwright, and John Hurt. Number 41 is Psycho. Year is 1960. Director is Alfred Hitchcock. Cast are Anthony Perkins and Janet Leigh. Number 40 is Fight Club. Year 1999. Director is David Fincher. Cast are Brad Pitt, Edward Norton, and Helena Bonham Carter. Number 39 is The Shining. Year 1980. Director is Stanley Kubrick. Cast are Jack Nicholson and Shelley Duvall. Number 38, When Harry Met Sally. Year 1989. Director Rob Reiner. Cast are Billy Crystal and Meg Ryan. Number 37, Doctor Strangelove or How I Learned to Stop Worrying and Love the Bomb. Year 1964. Director is Stanley Kubrick. Cast are Peter Sellers, George C. Scott, Sterling Hayden, and Slim Pickens. Number 36, Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Year 1986. Director is John Hughes. Cast are Matthew Broderick, Mia Sara, Jennifer Grey, and Alan Ruck. Number 35, A Clockwork Orange. Year is 1971. Director is Stanley Kubrick. Cast are Malcolm McDowell and Patrick Maggi. Number 34, American Beauty. Year 1999. Director is Sam Mendes. Cast are Kevin Spacey and Annette Bening. Number 33, Fargo. Year 1996. Directors are Joel and Ethan Coen. Cast are Frances McDormand and William H. Macy. Number 32, The Empire Strikes Back. Year is 1980. Director Irvin Kershner. Cast are Mark Hamill, Harrison Ford, and Carrie Fisher. Number 31, The Princess Bride. Year 1987. Director is Rob Reiner. The cast are Carrie Elwes, Robin Wright, and Mandy Patinkin. Number 30, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Year 1975. Director Milos Forman. Cast are Jack Nicholson, Louis Fletcher, and Will Sampson. Number 29 is Blade Runner. Year 1982. Director is Ridley Scott. Cast Harrison Ford, Rutger Hauer, and Sean Young. Number 28, The Graduate. Year 1967. Director is Mike Nichols. Cast are Dustin Hoffman, Anne Bancroft, and Catherine Ross. Number 27, The Breakfast Club. Year 1985. Director is John Hughes. The cast are Emilio Estevez, Jude Nelson, Molly Ringwald, Anthony Michael Hall, Paul Gleason, John Kapelos, and Ali Sheedy. Number 26, Singing in the Rain. Year 1952. Directors are Stanley Donen and Gene Kelly. Cast are Gene Kelly, Donald O'Connor, and Debbie Reynolds. Number 25, The Sound of Music. Year 1965. Director is Robert Wise. Cast are Julie Andrews and Christopher Plummer. Number 24, Jaws. Year 1975. Director is Steven Spielberg. Cast are Roy Scheider, Robert Shaw, and Richard Dreyfuss. Number 23 is Lawrence of Arabia. Year 1962. Director is David Lean. Cast are Peter O'Toole, Alec Guinness, Anthony Quinn, and Omar Sharif. Number 22, The Silence of the Lambs. Year 1991. Director is Jonathan Demme. Cast are Jodie Foster and Anthony Hopkins. Number 21, Chinatown, year 1974. Director is Roman Polanski. Cast are Jack Nicholson and Faye Dunaway. Number 20, It's a Wonderful Life, year 1946. Director is Frank Capra. Cast are James Stewart and Donna Reed. Number 19 is Goodfellas, year 1990. Director is Martin Scorsese. Cast are Robert De Niro, Ray Liotta, and Joe Pesci. Number 18, Annie Hall, year is 1977. Director is Woody Allen. Cast are Woody Allen and Diane Keaton. Number 17, Apocalypse Now, year 1979. Director is Francis Ford Coppola. Cast are Martin Sheen, Marlon Brando, and Robert Duvall. Number 16, To Kill a Mockingbird, year 1962. Director is Robert Mulligan. Cast are Gregory Peck, Robert Duvall, Mary Badham, and Philip Alford. Number 15 is Gone with the Wind, year is 1939. Director is Victor Fleming. Cast are Clark Gable and Vivien Leigh. Number 14, Forrest Gump, year 1994. Director is Robert Zemeckis. Cast are Tom Hanks, Robin Wright, and Gary Sinise. Number 13 is Raiders of the Lost Ark, year 1981. Director is Steven Spielberg. Cast is Harrison Ford, Karen Allen. Number 12, Back to the Future, year 1985. Director is Robert Zemeckis. Cast are Michael J. Fox, Christopher Lloyd, Lea Thompson, and Crispin Glover. 11 is Star Wars, year 1977. Director is George Lucas. Cast Mark Hamill, Harrison Ford, and Carrie Fisher. Number 10, Schindler's List, year 1993. Director is Steven Spielberg. Cast are Liam Neeson, Ralph Fiennes, and Ben Kingsley. Number 9 is 2001 is A Space Odyssey, year 1960. Director is Stanley Kubrick. Cast are Keir Dullea, Gary Lockwood, and William Sylvester. Number 8, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, year 1982. Director Steven Spielberg. Cast are Henry Thomas, Drew Barrymore, and Dee Wallace. Number 7, The Godfather Part 2, year 1974. Director is Francis Ford Coppola. Cast are Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, Robert Duvall, and Diane Keaton. Number 6 is Casablanca, year 1942. Director is Michael Curtis. Cast are Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman. Number 5, Pulp Fiction, year 1994. Director is Quentin Tarantino. Cast are John Travolta, Uma Thurman, Samuel L. Jackson, Bruce Willis, and Ving Rhames. Number 4, The Shawshank Redemption, year 1994. Director is Frank Darabont. Cast are Tim Robbins and Morgan Freeman. Number 3, Citizen Kane, year 1941. Director Orson Welles. Cast are Orson Welles, Joseph Cotten, Dorothy Comyn Gore, Agnes Moorehead, and Ruth Warwick. Number 2, The Wizard of Oz, year 1939. Director is Victor Fleming. Cast are Judy Garland, Frank Morgan, Ray Bolger, Burt Lahr, and Jack Haley. And last, ang ating number 1 sa ating listahan ay ang The Godfather, year 1971. Director Francis Ford Coppola. Cast are Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan, Robert Duvall, Diane Keaton, and Talia Shire.
A few moments later.
At para po sa ating shoutout, ay shoutout po para po kay Beverly Hago. Salamat po ng napakarami sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating pong mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!